Hello and welcome back, my beautiful people. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a very quick and easy very nice and spicy banana bread, and I have a special surprise for you today because my beautiful little girlie will be in the kitchen working with me on this one. So stay tuned and watch what one. So guys, to kick things off, my little girlie, she is peeling these overripe bananas. We're using about 3 bananas, and then we're gonna be crushing them in this bowl, and I'm allowing her to just take over this one because she loves the kitchen, she loves to cook. So she's just now crushing these bananas with the fork. So I'm just letting her go ahead and enjoy herself with this one. Okay, adding a cup of brown sugar, and then right after this I'm adding about a half a cup of melted butter. And you can use, whatever butter you want to use, whether it is salted or unsalted. Adding a quarter cup of almond milk, and you can use any milk of your choice. Now it's time to spice things up, and we have added a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now we're going to be sifting just a cup and 3/4 of regular all-purpose flour. We're just going to make sure that we are removing any lumps from this. So now we're just adding our dry ingredients, and I have added about a half a nutmeg which I've grated, and then I've added a half a teaspoon of salt, and we're just adding a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're adding the baking powder, and we're adding about 3 teaspoons of that. And after this we're going to be adding a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and look at my little girl, she's helping me now. I am just combining all these dry ingredients, and then we're going to be adding them to the bowl. But just before we do that, we are gonna just set this aside, the dry ingredients aside, and then we're gonna be whipping 2 eggs in a bowl and then pouring that into the banana cake mixture. So my little girl is gonna do this part for us. While she's doing that, let me go ahead and welcome all my new subscribers to this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and for liking the channel, liking our videos. Over on this channel, it's just good vibes. We cook together as a family. We take family outings together. You'll see some traveling videos, you'll see some cooking videos, and just having a good family time. So welcome. And also, don't be afraid to leave a nice comment and let me know any type of Jamaican style cooking that you'd like us to do. I do a lot of Jamaican style cooking, but I also do other cultures like African food, Chinese food, Indian food. If you go through the channel, you'll see just a whole bunch of different cultural cooking dishes. And guys, don't be afraid to interact in the comment section and let me know just about anything. If you like the video, or if you like how we do things, or how you would like us to do things, or any particular dishes you would want us to do, or anything you'd like to see, let us know, guys. Just comment in the comment section, it really helps. And don't forget to like the video, guys. And to my returning subscribers, you are very much appreciated and welcome. Don't forget to like the videos and leave a positive comment, guys. We welcome you to this channel. So here's the batter. It's smooth and runny, tastes very nice as well. And I have already gone ahead to base the baking pan. I've added a little bit of butter and then just sprinkled some flour over that lightly. That's the baking pan. That is how I prepared it for the mixture. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the mixture in the pan, and of course the oven has been preheating to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake this for about an hour or a little bit less, depending on how quickly or how well it bakes. Usually you can test how well the product is baked by using, you can use like a knife, and you can stick it in there, and just if it comes out clean, then it is done. So my little girl, she wants to add her fruits and nuts and candies. I just let her have her fun and do her thing. And then we're just getting ready to put this banana bread into the oven. So guys, here is the banana bread. Look how pretty, look how beautiful it is. And I think what I'm going to be doing now is to test it, because I just removed it from the oven, and I'm just going to be using this knife to test it, to see if it is baked properly. And here the knife is clean, so I know that it is baked well enough, and so I don't need to return it to the oven. And what I'm gonna do is let it cool down, and then I'm gonna come back and slice it up nicely, and then it's time to eat. Okay guys, if you have made it thus far to the video, please give it a like, please comment. Let my little girl know how she did today with baking this banana bread, because she did most of the work. I know we did it together, but she did a lot. She really tried. And look how soft this is. Very soft, very fluffy. And I'm giving it a taste right now, and my little girl is also giving it a taste, and she gives it the thumbs up, guys, so you know that it is good to go. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always coming back. Please do not forget to subscribe if this is your first time here, and give this video a like, and let us know in the comment section if this is how you prepare your banana bread. Let me know if you throw out your overripe bananas, or if you use them to make your banana bread. You know, this is good for breakfast, you know, it's a good dessert. Just make use of those overripe bananas. See you next time.